day in Japan and another day in a different hotel. The plan is we're gonna go to the Omori factory or the Nismo factory. If you don't know, this is where their their Nismo car, the GTR, R32, R34, whatever it is, to come get it serviced. There is a viewing there's a viewing room. It's pretty small, but it's still pretty cool to have all the engines and parts and stuff you can buy. And then there's a glass window where you can see them. Some of the cars, the customer cars, are getting worked on. And then I found that down the street from that place, there's a Nismo engine museum. So we're gonna go there and check that out also. What's up, guys? I'm doing a voiceover right now for the next few clips. For some reason the audio wasn't recording, maybe my mic or something wasn't plugged in, but what I'm explaining right now in this video is that we're here at the Nismo or Omori factory to check out all the GTR service car and stuff like that in the showroom, and explaining how I'm excited, and I don't even know what to record, so we're just gonna do this. You can see we have a 370Z Nismo outside, and there's some folks here that was going to go inside also, and then we have a R34. Apparently this is the guy in the plaid sweater or jacket. It's a rental. He brought it here in front of the Nismo factory to take pictures and hopefully go in. This rental has some BBS wheels, not too bad, mainly stock, normal car rental stuff. It is a GTR, I think, hopefully, and it has a GTR badge. But all of us, the people you see in this video, are here to go in. Now, I am at the door entrance of the Nismo showroom. As you can see, it is dark. Because the day we all went is the day they were getting ready for the Nismo festival. So they were closed for the whole week. We didn't know that. So we all showed up and expected to go in, but they were closed until somebody asked the gate person, and then they said, yeah, Nismo factory is closed for the whole week. In this clip right here, I'm just explaining what's going on and how sad I was because I came all the way from Tokyo. This is in Yokohama, so it was about an hour train ride, but it just took a lot of effort to come in here, multiple trains. Because I really want to see the showroom. If you don't know the Omori factory, it's basically a service / parts for Nismo that people can bring in their car in and get their servers rebuilt, the whole package. And then one of the guys said that the Nismo headquarter is open for you to go in and check out, and there's a showroom and cars like that. So this is the little montage of us going there right now. This is the headquarter. I guess it's top level is corporate, and down is like the showroom area. This is the GTR engine and transmission, and basically the whole bottom without the shell. As you can see, the heart of the Godzilla with the carbon fiber drive shaft, transmission, all above. It's cool to see, and it's like they show all the other cars too there, but mainly I was just more focused on the Nismo or GTR side. Right here we have a GTR T-Spec in the Millennium Jade color from factory, with the, would you say, gold or bronze wheels, but this is a special edition that you can purchase. It comes with a carbon fiber wing, Nismo diffuser, exhaust, typical GTR car. Still pretty cool to see, and you're able to go in and sit in it and check it out. It was basically a showroom, but with Nismo or Nissan stuff. It's pretty cool to see though. Right now, I'm just explaining where we at, what we're doing. We're sitting in the GTR right now. Basically gonna talk over like what's the interior like, the special edition color. I don't know what the color it's called, but you only can get it in the T-Spec. I think it's like some type of special green. Just a little trim here and there, explaining. And right now, I'm telling my wife that one day, I told her like one day I'm gonna have a GTR, and she just agreed with me. She's like, yep. And we just went for a walk, and I seen this wall of like history of the Nissan. Like mainly it's like race cars, so like the Datsun and stuff like that. It was pretty cool to see. This building wise, it was cool to check out. Can't complain much. And then you have they display Nismo parts like coilovers, exhaust, brakes. You have a little souvenir or car model that you can buy. And in the next clip, I'm gonna be in the Nismo, I guess gift shop area to buy stuff where you can buy a bunch of stuff. So right here is the Nismo gift shop. They sell everything from jackets to pins to hats, all that stuff. I went in there, bought a couple shirts, a couple of little knick-knack souvenir stuff, just to bring home. You gotta spend some money. I'm already there, so it was cool to buy stuff from there. But other than that, it's still pretty cool to check out. Now we're walking on this dock back here to go see something cool. If you're a Gundam person, Gundam fan, gunplay figure, you probably know by now. I'm in Yokohama, and I came see the life-size Gundam. Fun fact. Technically, this Gundam was supposed to be decommissioned since March, but they extended it 1 year, so I got lucky. So the next March, they're gonna stop doing this. But here we are. The Gundam Factory. Look at this. And look at this. Woo! Wow. It's so cool to see in person now. Alright, I don't know if you can see the background. We are... Look at the Gundam. Isn't that cool? It's freaking cool. It's so cool. Right now it's in this stance. I think later on it's gonna move back to the standing position. The shows, it moves and lights and stuff every hour. So I think in 15:05 that's when it's gonna move again. So, yep.
を目印に場所を確認してます。手についている方のカメラでは写真を撮りながら間違いがないか照らし合わせてパーツを組み立てていきます。顔のカメラで空間把握。
神よ、ハサウェイ、違う、彼のではない。ここはどこなんだ。なぜ自分の命を懸けてまでアクシスを止めようとしたんですか。それは自然なことだよ。
We at the top, baby. Got lucky though. I'll tell y'all the whole story about it when I get back. But this is the top of the Gundam. It's 18 meter, 59 feet, I think. And that Gundam was really cool. It's out now. We're about to maybe walk or take the bus to Chinatown to meet up Toby, the person that's gonna show us around and take us to Daikaku Core Meet. So I don't know if I'm gonna put that in this video or make a separate video from that. So let's go. Gundam Factory, 10 out of 10. If you love Gundam, 10 out of 10. So cool to see. But they're gonna tear it down on March. So yeah. But if I don't put the meet tonight in this video, I hope y'all stay safe. I had a lot of blast so far, and hopefully I have some more content coming for the next video until I leave in 4 days. So let's go. Deuces.